I didn't see you there. Welcome back to Adrian's Planet. Ciao. Today we're gonna do an erupting volcano. I read a book about them. I'm reading it right now. I'm sorry, I just like it. Okay, well, whatever. Let's get into it. By the way, this is what we're using. We got it from Target. If you ever want to find it, I don't know where we found it because I wasn't there. Think I was. The first step is to mold your volcano around the tube. This is like a puzzle. Just stop. This is my little brother Juju. Say hi, kids. Hi, kids. He's just small and he's cute. Volcano. Yeah. Now you're talking. Yeah, I'm talking. Now we're gonna paint. So volcanoes are mountains that blow up lava. Lava is something that is so hot you will turn into dust. You're doing great, Juju.
Doing great, Juju.
This might take a while, kids. Volcanoes are an awesome example how nature adds color to the earth. Hot gases deep inside the earth build up and become pressurized. When the gases escape, they bring molten rocks and minerals, also known as lava, along for the ride. Let's simulate how they do that by making this volcano explode. We're gonna use fizzy taps and waters to make the gas. The fizzy tabs have acid and a base like baking soda, which quickly react to produce lots of hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas. Volcanoes have big explosions that squirt out lava easily. The lava is hot that it would even melt metal. It could even melt a tree. It could even melt concrete. We're gonna add 2 fizzy tabs. We're gonna make blue lava. Lava. Put this into the volcano. It's a fizzy tab. Good. Now we're slowly gonna add warm water into the volcano. There it goes. Cool.
Yeah, it's a pile.
A little more.
Yeah.
Whoa. Cool. That was pretty simple. A quick, easy science experiment. Now let's do yellow.
Whoa! Pretty!
Pretty!
Maybe green.
Uh-huh.
Pretty!
Let's add one more red one.
Mama. Go to it. You go up. Whoa.
Oh, look at the water though. Bye, kids. Click subscribe so you don't want to miss all our videos. So you can be part of the Muscle Kids family. Hit that bell too so you'll never miss another video again. And hit that like button over me. And that subscribe button beside me. And that notification bell beside me the other way. Bye!
Say bye-bye, Juju.
Bye-bye, Dodo.
Bye.